amazing angels in the entire planet Earth. Thank you so much for tuning into my video, and I really hope that it is gonna be useful for you, because today I want to share one of my nighttime face care routines. It is kind of a simple, but I promise you that it's really gonna clean out your face and gonna keep your face super smooth, super clean, no black spots, no wrinkles, no nothing. And sorry for doing a voiceover to this video, but because at the same moment when I was filming it was super noisy at home, and I just decided that this is gonna destroy the video. So first of all, I want to clean out, or I should say my makeup, but what is the rest of the makeup on my face, because I usually put the makeup early in the morning, then I'm working, then I film this video at about, I don't know, maybe 7 p.m. in the evening. So yeah, what's left on my face, I want to be sure that I'm gonna remove all the foundation and all the other face products. And yeah, you can see the result on my wet wipe. Those are my favorite face cleansing wipes from Johnson. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I got two other different types at home, but I just don't enjoy them. I will use them, I will finish the packs, but I just don't like them anymore. This is actually grounded coffee. This is the rest product that is coming out of my coffee machine. It's super simple, super basic, and coconut oil. I'm gonna mix them together without water, or you just can use the plain coffee with a little bit of a water to soak it and make it like a kind of a paste, and then to make a peeling and scrubbing all over your face. But because there are so many beneficials of the coconut oil, so because of this I started doing it like this. This amount of coffee is extremely too much, because you will see how much I'm gonna use on my face. But anyway, yeah, you just can put it in a bin, the rest of it, or keep it for about a week if you want, and repeat these steps every single evening. This is probably one of my favorite steps, because it is giving you a kind of massage, and yeah, it's just super lovely, and I love the smell of the coffee, by the way. Now it's time to wash out my face just with water, and I know that because I've used the coconut oil, my face is gonna be oily, but no worries, we are going to continue, and finally we're gonna have the perfect, shiniest, healthy skin ever. And this L'Oreal Fine Flowers Gel Cream Wash is one of the products that I love to restock, because I really love it a lot. It is super gentle cream that cleanses, purifies and softens, and it is with rose and jasmine for dry and sensitive skin, no alcohol. I really love this product, and this tube, by the way, which is 150 mils, I'm not so sure, but probably it lasts me for about 2-3 months. Then I'm gonna wash my face again, and it's not oily anymore. Now I feel my skin super fresh and super clean like baby skin. And 2-3 more steps, no worries, we are gonna continue. I'm gonna use this kind of scrubbing glove or whatever the word for this is. I just soak it with water with no products on it. I just love doing it for like a kind of additional cleaning to be sure that there is no imperfection, that there is no anything dirty still on my skin. And before moving to the next step, I just want to be sure that my face is completely dry. And now this is the product that I became in love with. This is Skin Chemist's London. I haven't ever used anything from this brand before. I saw it on eBay, I think, or Amazon. I think it was on eBay. I've ordered just one pack of it, which contains 5 different packs like this with under eye pads, and I was super impressed of. Then I reorder another 6 packs of them, and I'm super happy of. On the package it says that aims to firm and brighten the eye area for a smoother finish, delivered from red seaweed, aims to enrich and nourish the skin, aims to reduce wrinkles, visible signs, reawakening the eye area. And this last step is something that I'm trying for the very first time. As you can see, it is just a sample from Charlotte Tilbury because I made an order a couple of days ago and I just picked this up as a sample. This is the Magic Under Eye Cream and it's really a magical cream I'm super in love with, and I think that in my next order I'm gonna order the full size of it, like 15 mils. Yeah, and this is the end of my routine. When I apply this, I don't used to apply a lot of creams during the evening, just the under eye, and I really hope that you like this video. If it is like this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, lots of hugs, and I hope to see you in my next one.